funk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jillian and I post lots of non-toxic cleaning motivation content on this channel, as well as other homemaking content like what's for dinner videos, for example. So if you like that kind of content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. I post new videos every single week, and today I'm doing an all-day clean with me video for you guys. So if you're cleaning today, I hope this gets you motivated and helps get you up and ready and cleaning with me.
It's like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid.
Now that my sheets are all stripped and in the wash, we're gonna get started by tidying up my kitchen.
But I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb. It's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young.
I'm just filling my diffuser here, and I'm using Orange, Thieves, and Stress Away. I'm using my Thieves Cleaner and a microfiber cloth to wipe down all of my counters. Let me know in the comments if you guys use microfiber or cotton cloths to clean your house. I originally used cotton, I switched to microfiber, and I liked them for a while, but I feel like they got worn out really quick and now they don't really absorb water very well. I always clean my sink before I hand wash any dishes in it because it really just doesn't feel right to clean a dish in a dirty sink. I'm just using some of my Thieves DIY soft scrub, and I'll leave the recipe for that in the description box to clean my sink.
Get me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the
Okay, now that the kitchen and the dining room are all wiped down, I'm gonna move into my bathroom.
I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. You're gone now.
I'm using a little bit of Castile soap and a Scrub Daddy to clean my sink.
Yeah, I know that you're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys for the first and probably last time how I clean my shower, because I usually do this while I'm in the shower because it just makes it so much easier, and honestly this was such a pain to do it outside of the shower. So I'm using Castile soap, really hot water, and a Scrub Daddy again.
And now you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
I sped this up because I seriously had like 20 minutes of footage of me scrubbing this dang shower.
Far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that.
Okay, and then on the fixtures and on any tougher spots where the dirt didn't come off with the Castile soap, I'm just using that Thieves soft scrub and the Scrub Daddy again.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
I decided I really wanted to shine the fixtures today, so I'm just taking some white vinegar, dumping it on the fixtures, and then I'm just wiping it off with a dry cloth.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you.
I used my Castile soap, Thieves Cleaner, and hydrogen peroxide to clean my toilet, and now I'm just taking Thieves Cleaner again, and I'm going to hand wash the floors around my toilet, and then I will do the rest with a mop later.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
I used a paper towel first, and then I went over it with a microfiber cloth after.
And now you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different.
Okay, moving on to my floors. I'm gonna vacuum.
I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
there was a thunderstorm on this day, so that's a fort that Matt made for Lola, and Lola's my cat, and she was sleeping in it.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you.
I'm gonna go through and mop the whole place now, and I'm gonna use my spin mop, and I mixed up a solution of my Thieves Cleaner, hot water, and orange essential oil, and this smelled amazing. I highly recommend putting orange oil in your mop solution.
Your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego.
Okay, my sheets are finally done, so I'm gonna put those back on, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I put my duvet cover back on my duvet.
An everlasting ego. Oh, here we
Okay, so I have my duvet cover laid out across my bed, inside out. That's really important. And then I'm going to line up the duvet cover with all the corners.
go. Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble lack and everlasting ego.
And then you're gonna start from the top and roll it up all the way down to the bottom. So the zipper is at the bottom of my bed right now. Okay, and then you're gonna reach in and grab onto the corner and kind of like flip it inside out, and then unroll the duvet. I feel like I'm explaining this horribly, so I'm gonna try to find a YouTube video where somebody explains it way better than I can and link it in the description.
Keep on acting small.
Okay, and then I'm just getting up on my bed, and I'm gonna grab the top two corners and just shake it out and make sure that it's all nice and evenly distributed throughout the duvet cover, and that's it. It's super easy.
Bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehaved. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up. Try to keep it cool.
Okay, I had gotten a couple of groceries, so I'm just gonna put those away, and then that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.